This step we're going to add our first set of color to our implosion pendant. So I'm going to take the blue here, we're going to get it hot, and we're going to bring it to a point. Use my tweezers here to help me out. Alright, now we're going to take our Maria that we formed, we're going to heat up that surface. We're going to take our color here and we're just going to dab a little tiny dot. We're actually going to do a series of dots on here to create a pattern. We start with the first dot up at the top. And then I'm going to take it down to the bottom. I'm going to do kind of a north, south, east, west style pattern here. So I'm going to continue with the 4 points. And once we get those, as you can see, there's 4 points there on the color. We're going to heat that up again, and we're going to use our marber real quick. And we're just going to kind of squish those in there. We'll work those in. As you can see, they're getting hot. Alright, and there's our first set of colors.